Hello unique people, this is Unique Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where we get to share unique ideas and techniques. Today we want to do a DIY on how to bake some ring cakes. So we need the ingredients, which we have flour, margarine, sugar, eggs, 1 glass of milk and baking powder as per the portions. So we begin by measuring all the ingredients. Remember the flour, we need 900 grams of flour, so we start by measuring that. Yes, then after measuring that, we'll do the measurements for all the others. Yeah, remember we need 900 grams of flour, 400 grams of margarine, 400 grams of sugar. Again, we'll need 6 eggs, and after 6 eggs we'll need a glass of milk. So the process is quite easy. It's something we can all be able to do because it's simple. So after we have mixed all of these, yeah, as you can see, we're still continuing to measure the required portions. Yeah, so after the measuring, we'll be mixing them. Yeah, we'll be mixing them, all of them. We'll start with the margarine and sugar. Yeah, we start with margarine and sugar. We mix until it's smooth, all well mixed. Then we'll be adding all the other portions as you'll be seeing on the video. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned and get to see the entire process of how we did this. At this point we are doing the measuring of the what. Yeah, we have already measured everything. We have the flour, we have sugar, we have margarine, and we have baking powder. Yes, and we have 3 eggs. In this case we're showing 3 eggs because we'll be doing them into, we measured into 2 portions, but at the end of the day when you're mixing, we'll mix all of them. Yeah, so basically at the end we'll have flour, which will be 900 grams, margarine 400 grams, sugar 400 grams, 6 eggs and 1 glass of milk. So we have started mixing. You can see us mixing there. So stay tuned and see the outcome. Basically you already saw the outcome in the beginning. Yeah, at that point we are adding eggs. We started by adding 3 eggs. We didn't add all of them at the same time. We added 3 eggs and again added the other ones later after mixing for some time. So the milk becomes the last thing that you'll add after you have added the first thing you mix sugar and margarine. After that they are well incorporated to each other. You add eggs. After the eggs you add the flour. So for us to be able to attain the desired color, or rather the desired theme we are looking for a color red. So we basically had to add a food color into our mixture, into our flour, so that we're able to achieve that color. We are working with the theme of color. At that time we added a little of vanilla essence. That's what we're adding now, vanilla essence. Yeah, that is what we added. Actually not vanilla, pineapple essence is what we added. So, and we continue the mixture. Ensure the mixture is smooth, well incorporated, all the ingredients are well incorporated. So slowly by slowly we'll be, after we add the flour, we'll start adding the milk, as you can see. So this becomes the most important part, whereby you're mixing all of them, because if they don't incorporate each other, that means the outcome of your cake or whatever you're baking will not be well done. So baking actually takes the shortest time possible, because you only get to put the mixture into the oven for between 10 minutes and 20 minutes. So here we are mixing again. We had to change the first do you call it a spinner? Yeah, now we got it to a second one. So enjoy the process. You can see the color is turning. It's slightly showing pink, but it's meant to be red. Yeah, the intended color was red, so but we ended up with some sort of pink. You see, with the baked cakes were pink, but yeah, at least we got the color. We didn't have the white ones. We had some colored cakes, baked brain cakes. That is the name of these cakes we are baking today. Baked brain cakes. Yeah. So meanwhile, as the mixing is continuing, we prepare our tray. Yeah, you smear a little margarine on the tray so that to enable the cake not to stick on the trays, on the baking trays. That's exactly what we are doing. And now we're putting the flour, or rather the dough, on the piping bags. We'll be using some piping bags so that it's easier and less messier compared to using a spoon. So in case you're a baker, get yourself one. Yeah, it makes things easy and even faster. You can see. Yeah, you can see. So we did quite a good number of cakes. You have now 5 trays there, which you have filled and are waiting to get them to the oven. The oven is meanwhile heating. Then we'll bake them for 10 to 20 minutes, and that's the outcome. That's the first lot of the cakes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a simple one you can try with your family. So remember to share, subscribe, and yes, thank you so much.